bang YouTube? It's your girl Drama Queen D and I'm back. So this morning, just now, we're going on a trip. We are heading to Sugar with my girl Chelsea. We're going to run a few errands. So with that said, in lights, camera, action. So I'm about to go take a bed and I'll see y'all. Almost ready. So my sister said she'll be dropping us, so we're gonna have to travel up the road. But wait, that way we're going.
You see that KFC there? See that KFC? But that is the KFC I was talking about. You go and buy it. Instead of that, I wasn't getting it. I wasn't getting it. I didn't remember that. The amount of pain from a fresh pair of flats is devastating. So we arrived at Pennywise and I totally forgot what I went there for. So I was like wandering through each lane trying to remember what I had to get there.
Attention all KFC workers, please remove whatever food that for and counter in the stairs of customers.
How you gonna do? I'm mukbang. Cool. If it's moving up and down, it's because the table is shaking.
I still need water. No, I think not.
Hot and steamy
waxing pot. This is a Terminal Spa Economy Wax Warmer. We're gonna get my eyebrow all slicked up and whatnot. But 20 bucks. We have instructions. This is the big guy. So to go in the pot, we're using GG All-Purpose CBD Wax with potent plant activities. I paid $120 at JD's for this, so let's see how it goes. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Okay, so we're gonna turn the heat up to high. This wax heats for 10 to 15 minutes on high, so we'll see the results. And what are the other tools I'm going to use to wax my eyebrows? So I bought this package at Pennywise. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but here, it's a big package with a lot of sticks. I'm not even sure how much there is in there, but I could tell you it's a lot, as you can see. So yeah, I already took out one section, although just going right. I'm going to be using a spoolie to brush my eyebrows, concealer for the after effect, even though I'm in my bed, nice handy dandy scissors, some toner to clean them brows, and some baby oil. Baby oil is to remove whatever remaining wax, and my strips. I'm not even sure how long it has been, but still stiff. So in the meantime, we're going to get our toner and our cotton pads, and we are going to clean my brows. Oh, I forgot to say that you can use liners and stuff like that to outline your eyebrows, but I think I'm just going to go in there and see how it goes. This is going to be very scary. I also forgot to mention that you will also need a tweezer, a handy dandy tweezer. Now that my eyebrows are clean, I'm going to brush up my brows. Trim whatever. Here's like out the line, like the line of my eyebrow. Brush down. lot coming downwards, but I'm not gonna cut all because my eyebrows are thick, but not that thick. So what I didn't do is check the time frame. I'm just doing this by guess. So yeah, it's still pretty much very stiff, but as you can see, it's getting the consistency it needs to be. Or the So we'll be back in a few minutes to see if it's ready. So let's see if our wax is ready. I've been mixing it, that's why there's a lot of bubbles. But yeah, so I'm just gonna stir it up. They usually start at the center to get it here in line with the nose bridge. Done all set. So yeah, you go in the direction of your hair root, and well, that was up. So press. And you're ripping opposite direction from your hair. Bruh, this shit is scary as hell. Whew. I hope I don't mess up my brows. So we need to get this one in there. Not bad, not bad, not bad at all. I have watery eyes to be crying on here. It's totally normal. This is to cool it off. We don't blow. Okay, well, I am so much satisfied with my eyebrows so far. And we haven't even gotten to concealing yet. I bought this concealer today at Wonderful Will. I'm not sure if it's my shade, but I'm going to try it. You should get a brush, a flat brush, preferably a concealer brush. I don't usually use this brush, but I'm just going to use it for tonight. So yeah, let's see. Remember. Oh no! So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you all have any
Request. I will collect.
requests, put it in comments because I'll be reading all. That's it for tonight, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Reading all. Drama Queen out.